to place Coca-Cola within an arm's reach of desire wherever he possibly could. President of the Coca-Cola Company by age 32, Woodruff was not only a young, dynamic leader, he was a master communicator and motivator. He focused the company on consumer desire